Let's explore PWM by first changing the brightness of an LED manually, then having the LED's brightness fade in and out from off to full brightness and back again. Let's set up this simple circuit. We need to be sure to use one of the PWM enabled pins on the Arduino. They're designated by a tilde next to the pin number. We're going to use pin 9. Let's go ahead and create a new sketch. Let's call this example fade. Let's define the LED variable. In our setup function, we set the pin mode of the LED as an output. In the loop function, we're going to use our new function analog write. Let's call the analog write function on the LED pin and give it a brightness of 255. We expect the LED to show full brightness. Let's save and upload the sketch. Now let's do the same thing, but write out 127. We're expecting the LED to show half brightness. And if we write out 0, we expect the LED to be off. So if we want the LED to fade in and out, we need to increment the brightness level every time the loop function runs. So let's declare two more variables. A brightness variable that we will use to set the brightness of the LED, and a fade amount variable that will determine the increment of the brightness. So in the loop function, we first need to set the brightness level, then we need to increment or decrement the brightness level, then we're going to add a delay in between so we can see the change. So to set the brightness level, we use analog write again, and we're going to write out the brightness variable. To change the brightness level, we're going to take the current brightness level and add the fade amount to it so that it increments on the next loop. This takes the current value of brightness, adds the fade amount to it, and assigns the new result to brightness. Now let's add a 30 millisecond delay. Let's save and upload the sketch. We see we have a problem. The LED gets brighter, but it doesn't fade back the other way. We can also see that it starts over. That's because the analog write function rolls over after values of 255. So we need a way to detect when the value reaches 255 and reverse the direction. For that, we're going to use an if statement. So if the brightness is equal to 0 or 255, we want to reverse the direction of the fade amount. So let's save and upload the sketch. And there you go. The LED now fades in and out. In the next lecture, we're going to control the brightness of an LED with a potentiometer, and then show how we can use that same sketch to control the speed of a motor. Peace.